Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Christian's BBQ channel. Today, we're gonna have a short cook, doing some chicken quarters in my offset. All I did, got some chicken quarters from Walmart, paid about $6. Went ahead and removed the skin. Used my favorite seasoning, which I also got at Walmart. Just got them all prepped. Pit's getting up to temp. Now I'm gonna put these on the pit. And I got some hungry mouths to feed. Till next time.
Peace.